What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm kind of in the car right now. The reason why is because I'm at the gym. I'm going to the gym early because you see this big box. We have a DC Sports exhaust for the Civic today that we're going to put on. Reason why we're putting a new exhaust in the car is my exhaust on the Honda right now is about 10 years old, and all it is just eBay piping with a Vibrant Muffler. And as my friends would say, it's kind of looking dookie now. So yeah, fun fact, the reason why I even bought the exhaust was because I had this urge just to spend money, because I was supposed to get a car last weekend. I've been looking for years for a matching sedan for my coupe, same color, same everything. Found one, was going to drive about 5 hours up north, and it just didn't work out. So I was like, okay, well, I have this urge to spend money a little bit, so I got this exhaust. Now, this exhaust is for a DB8 Integra, 4-door Integra, and it's going to work, hopefully, because the coupe axle back is the same on the DB8 Integra as it is on the coupe. It's the same length. Whereas, like, if you had like an Integra 2-door, it'll be a little bit shorter. So that's what we got going on today. I'm gonna go to the gym, and then we're gonna go back. We're gonna grab the Honda out of the storage unit, and then take it home, and we're gonna jack it up, and we're gonna put this exhaust on and see what happens. I'm actually really curious to see, like, obviously if it works, and then if it doesn't, and if it does work, will my rear sway bar actually fit better? And I have a feeling that might be the case, because I have my eBay piping that really hangs down kind of low. And we're going to do a little comparison also from like the eBay exhaust to this exhaust. So let's get to it. So we got the Honda out. We're gonna bring it home. We're gonna unbox the exhaust, and then we'll do a before and after comparison, and we'll see how the rest goes. If I have enough time, I will put that sway bar on, or at least try to. If not, I'll probably try to do that sometime like next week or another week. But for now, let's go do it. Alrighty, so we got the old exhaust off. I'm currently taking off these hangers right here, and I'm transferring it over. This is the pipe that goes right back to the Cat. I want to hang that up. So I only have 2 jacks, so really I want to be going in the first section, then I want to put the car down, jack up the rear, and then put the rear back on. So I did have a hole right there, slight little hole. I mean, this is 10-year-old eBay exhaust and like a 9-year-old Vibrant Muffler, which honestly, the mufflers might still be decent. Whoever welded it though for me, they did a horrible job. So I mean, you saw the previous clip where the before I had sounded. It didn't sound terrible, but I'm really looking forward to seeing how this is going to go, because that resonator was definitely cooked. This is a bigger resonator on it, so we're going to see what happens. So let's get this exhaust back up on the car, and then we'll do a start, and we'll see what happens. Alrighty, so the exhaust is on. We got the muffler here, the crown jewel of the exhaust, DC exhaust. So I kind of have it roughly there. It goes over the control arm, but it's
slowly getting there. Once I hang up the exhaust pipe here, I'll mock it up all up and then I'll tighten it down.
So I want to do a quick comparison for you guys. Oh, let me get my little handy dandy screwdriver that I can use as a pointer. So years ago, if you look on my channel, I did a review of this Vibrant muffler compared to the eBay muffler. And so now, kind of shoes on the other foot now. This is the DC exhaust for the DB8, and this is the Vibrant with eBay piping. That section is already on the car separately. Overall, I loved the Vibrant by itself. It was packed in, but the metal on this was really, really thin. The guy who welded it said that it was super hard to get these tacked on. I like the sound, but the muffler over time gets extremely dirty, and because it's got that matte black textured coating, it's very hard to clean. Like when I try cleaning it, just ends up being polished, so it kind of defeats the purpose of having a stealth black muffler. Now on to the DC exhaust. I wanted an oval style muffler. I don't want a giant like fart cannon like Tomei style or HKS style muffler. I wanted something that's kind of subtle. Now the car is been looking a lot better lately, so I mean I kind of went with a polished one, and overall you can definitely tell that the quality of this and the fact that the muffler is very packed in. This muffler is actually kind of heavier than what that Vibrant one is. Granted, that's got about 8 to 10 years of use and it's probably burnt out by now, to be honest. But you can tell quality of this exhaust, muffler for muffler, this is definitely a better quality muffler. So we're going to go ahead and put that on. So the diameter piping on each of these is the same. And going in, going out, going out, it's about the same, except this kind of flares out towards the end, right there, right here. So far my review is, so far without hearing the sound of this, and I love that sound. I feel like this is going to be it might be a little louder, but it's going to be a different tone, and it's going to sound better quality over this. Now granted, I had eBay piping and eBay like resonator and everything, but it's going to be nice to have a proper exhaust on this car. So let's go ahead, let's get this going. I will, maybe down the future, I'll probably have like an exhaust shop like recreate this, but smaller, so that way I can't like put my fist in it. But you know, the fist test. But yeah, let's get this car. All right, so the exhaust is on. I just have it jacked up so I can go underneath the car for you and tickle the scanner. It is really kind of like tucked up in there, a lot better than what the eBay piping did. And what's really cool is that right here, it kind of hugs the frame a little bit, which gives me so much room. I honestly think I can run my sway bar now. So I think all along, the reason why I couldn't run a rear sway bar on this car is because my eBay piping that I had. Now I try to push the tip back a little bit so it's even with my bumper. So I think overall, now I tried to push the tip back enough to where it's even with the rear of my bumper, which I think it kind of came out pretty good. I still kind of want to get a smaller piping for it, and like maybe have an exhaust shop like do something that's about a 3-inch all the way out instead of 4. But overall, let's get this thing started and see what it looks like. And here's like. it, go for it. Higher. Higher. There you go. Nope. All right, well, we're back in the storage unit. Car's back in here. Exhaust sounds good. I do have an issue. The muffler is touching my rear bumper. So I'm definitely going to need to get longer hangers, and that's fine. Like longer bushing like hangers for it, so it'll sit a little bit lower, and then it should be good to go. Because I smelt a little bit of it when we were bringing it back over here. Took some photos of the car. I'll post them here in this video with it. But overall, sounds much healthier. Even my wife says so. She says that it sounds throatier. It sounds healthier is the word I like too, which is really good. So. You know, that eBay exhaust lasted a long time, much longer than I thought it would. You know, especially with the Vibrant Muffler, definitely helped it out. But having a proper exhaust on this car is awesome. And what's cool is that the fitment is even better. So now I can fit that sway bar that I couldn't fit in a previous video due to hitting my exhaust. So I'm actually really excited that, hey, proper parts, proper fitment, you'll be able to do much more. So anyway, that's it for this video. I plan on doing more videos. I know I've been kind of lackadaisical with it, but there's more to come with this car, the wagon, just life in general, and got some exciting stuff coming. Not just car related, but family related, everything. So it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned to that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.